Good day, sir, madam. My name is Medina Peñagossi, 35 years old, married. I have one son. I am a Roman Catholic. I am a high school graduate. I have experience to work in Kuwait in 2 years.
Okay, so for about 2 years working there, so what are your main duties on the employer's house?
To take care of the child, 6 years old.
Okay. Okay, so what do you do, or how do you take care of the child of the employer?
To sending in the school and to assist the child for assignment.
Okay.
And to assisting for her food,
Okay, preparing food.
preparing the food.
Okay, so aside from taking care of the child of the employer, so do you also do household works?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what household works do you do?
Cleaning the house,
Okay,
ironing, and
okay, ironing. So do you also do cooking?
no, sir.
Okay, so let's say your employer in Hong Kong asks you to cook Chinese food by a recipe book. So are you willing to learn?
I'm willing.
Okay. Are you willing to work on your day off with extra pay if requested by your employer?
I'm willing.
Okay. Can you promise to return home not later than 8 p.m. during your day off?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money and for the future of my son and for the school finances.
Okay. So any message for your prospect employer, suppose they are watching you right now?
Hello, sir, madam. I promise to be honest, obedient, and hardworking. I promise to be follow your rules and regulation, and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you, madam.